Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always tuning in. So today we are going to be discussing about how we can generate income in 2024 using AI, how we can make our own personal money using AI. Like you always know, AI is the new ATM machine in town. Yes, hear it very well. AI is the new ATM machine. Like with AI, you can generate money, you can make your own livelihood, you can make your own life, like you can live a comfortable life. All you need to do is to have a phone, all you need to do is to have a network, and you go into it. There are so many AIs, like so many AI that are meant to make us rich in this year. So therefore we have to dive into it, because we cannot just continue to be an onlooker in this generation. We also have to partake and take action in every aspect of it, and it has to start now. This is early new year. We have to start now, start tapping into the small aspect where we can get money. So let's get started. How do we make money in 2024 with our own income, with our AI? So like we all know, AI, no matter what no matter your field, you have an AI that will help you out. There is even a general AI, this ChatGPT can help you in any field. So as a matter of fact, everybody needs to take advantage of what ChatGPT has to offer in this 2024. Like we'll always know, ChatGPT is one of the best technologies that happened to us in this 20th century, in this 21st century, I mean to say. Therefore, it is very important, like it is very important that as human beings, we start harnessing the facts, we start harnessing what is meant, like what is happening with AI. So whatever your niche is, whatever your field of work is, all you have to do is to go to ChatGPT, type in how can I use AI to benefit, let's say, on a content creator. It will bring out more than enough advice for you, what you can use, how you can use it financially, how you can use it to get your customers, how you can use it to do whatever it is you want to do. What you have to do is just to type in whatever you want and you get it. Another type of AI that people don't take advantage of is the WhatsApp AI. Let me tell you, WhatsApp is another AI that we need to watch out for in 2024. Like there is a WhatsApp TV, there is WhatsApp group, there is so many things that you can do with WhatsApp that you will secretly be earning your money, and there is no fighting. Nobody will have time to fight you. All you have to do is just to know what to do, know your audience, and start posting content that suits your audience. And when you start doing that, you will be surprised how much you'll be making. Guys, there is money in the AI world. There is money on the internet, and AI is enhancing the money. Another one that we have to look to is the Google. Of course, that is the biggest searching engine machine on planet Earth. There is nobody on this earth, whenever you're looking for anything, the first thing that comes to your mind is Google. So how do we harness the power of Google? How do we use Google to our advantage? That is very simple. Whatever you want to dive in, whatever course you want to do, whatever niche, whatever business, go to Google and search, how can I use AI to start this type of business? You will be surprised the response it will give you. You will be surprised, and if you follow through the response, I can assure you, guarantee that it might not come very fast or very easy, but it will come because of a truth. AI is working. Another one is all these network platforms. Then you just go to that search engine to say, how can I make money on Facebook? How can I make money on Twitter? How can I make money on this? You will be surprised what you will be getting, and those are the way we can make our own income in 2024. Just think of how you make your money in 2024, how to use the AI, how to harness the power of AI to make money in 2024. That is what you need. You don't need to shout, you don't need to do anything. All you need is how to make money Just type it: how to make money with Facebook, how to make money with Twitter, how to make money with Google Plus, how to make money with whatever, YouTube, how to make money. In fact, YouTube is now, people say, is going to be a blast, because every information, anything you want on the planet Earth is on YouTube. Another aspect to use your AI is your businesses, your maximum day-to-day business. How can I use AI to enhance my product? How can I use AI to go for advertising? How can I use AI for my trend analysis? How can I use AI for my data analysis? How can I use AI for my business analysis? And you can type it: what type of AI can analyze business for me? I will tell you that there are more than 1,000 AIs that will analyze your business, that will predict your business, that will tell you everything you have to do about your business. And those are the ways you have to use to harness and get your own share of the AI. Here is another one that is trending now, which everybody know, is the social media marketing, the video marketing. My dear people, there is so much money in this thing. There is money in this thing. Like, everybody are doing it. Like, I heard somebody was doing social media manager, and they are paying a few $5,000 per month in this Nigeria, and it's happening. There are 1,001 people that are doing that. All they do in the morning is to watch on people's AI. And how does it affect us, especially content creators? You can go to the ChatGPT, Google, how can I use AI to increase my visibility? How can I use AI to do so many things? And with time, you will be surprised what you are going to get. My people, we need to leverage on the power of AI. We need to leverage on how to use AI. We need to leverage on what is it that is happening in the world of AI that we are not seeing. This video marketing stuff, a whole lot of people are using it, and it's working for them. Another aspect to go into is the educational sector. Are you a student? Are you a lecturer? Yes, you can also make your own income with the AI. All you need to do is to go and search. You can take projects, you can assist people with projects, you can assist people with assignments, and they pay you. And you go to the AI and search for it, and you type it, you work on it, so, and you start making your money. Another aspect is the medical field. Are you a medical doctor? How can I use AI on my field? There are so many people. In fact, it is predicted that with time, AI will be the one prescribing medicine for us. So that means to say that there is an AI for every department. There is an AI for every tool. There is an AI for everybody. So all we have to do is to find passion in it. All we have to do is to see to it that it's working. AI is the new thing. There is so much passion for AI that there is nothing you cannot command it to do. You talk to AI, you talk to them, they respond like human beings. I was watching the Canadian president. He was talking to an AI, and the AI was giving him answer, and it was very impressive. Also, there is AI for especially content creator. We have so many AIs that we can use. This is another one that you use for your background. You use to change your pictures. You use to do so many things. Another side of the AI that I would like us to see is the AI that we use to leverage on so many things. We use AI to do our data analysis. We use AI for our data entries. You use AI for your secretary, like in the office. You can use AI to search how many people are actually coming, how many people are working. And guys, I tell you, everybody will key into this AI stuff, because a whole lot of big companies are laying off staff because they want AI to take over. And what is that telling us? That we also need to get into the AI. Instead of them laying you off, you to become a guru. You to employ people that will help you build your own business, that will help you build your own AI. People that they build AI for people now, like everybody build AI and everybody is cashing out, like everybody is cashing out real good on this AI. AI is the thing now. So like now, there are so many people, so many companies that all they do is AI. There's also stock. I don't know if you know, there are some companies that all they do is sell stocks in AI. And according to research, they pay more like they pay more, and it is real. It is real, my dear people. AI is the real thing. Invest in AI, like the AI marketing. Just like we are investing in banking, we are investing in shares. So there's also what they call stock. There's also what they call the AI stock market. When I heard of it, I went to make inquiries. I will make the video very shortly about it, and I can tell you guys, this is mouth-watering. It's good because it has a prospect, it has a future, and the future of AI is now in our hands. Everybody needs to key into AI. Everybody needs to start making money. Everybody needs to start making it. Everybody needs to start standing firm, because AI is the way to go. You just use your phone, you use it, and you search. Life is made easy now with this AI, and we have to key into it. We have to see to it that we also harness into the power of AI, because if you're not harnessing into the power of AI in this new generation, you will be left back, you will be left behind, and it will be only you, like only you in the whole world. Nobody will be there. Everybody has left you. You will see that at the end of the day, you are the only one. My dear people, like I said earlier, today is how to generate our own income from AI, which I hope it will be beneficial. If you enjoy my video, if you enjoy my tips, if you enjoy anything and you want to start making money and to know more, please always like this video, share and like, and God bless you. I want us to start going viral so that a lot of people will have more knowledge about what is going on in the AI world. We should not be dogmatic again. We should go further. We should move forward like every other person. Thank you. God bless you. Like, share and subscribe to my video.